Launch code. Access granted.
Hello, welcome to this Microsoft Excel class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And on this video, my friends, we are going to learn the different use of how to log cells or references in Excel. So let's get started. So what I'm going to do on this report right here, notice that I have this cells in here for each of these products right here. And what I want to know now is, I don't want to know the profit percentage, but I want to know what percentage each of these products right here represent from the grand total. Okay, let me say this one more time. I hope I'm saying this right. I want to know not the profit percent, but I want to know how much of a percentage each of these products right here represent from the grand total. So this way I can concentrate a little more, or I can apply more attention, to the accounts that brings a bigger percentage of our income or revenue. Okay, so the way I will do this, for example, to do that, I'm gonna do a formula like this. I'm going to start with an equal sign, and I'm going to divide this value right here by this one right here. Okay, and very nice. So as a consequence, it's going to give me a decimal number. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and convert this into a percentage by clicking right here on the percentage command. Very nice. So I can tell the product AA01 represents 40% of my total sales in here. And then the rest of these cells right here, I'm just going to fill, and notice that it doesn't work, because what I need to do, if you notice right here with the rest of my formulas, my references also shift. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to engage right here on this reference. I'm going to press F4 to lock it. Very nice. So now every time this formula right here goes down in here, is going to divide each of these values in here by this grand total, and as a result it's going to give me the percentage of what each of these products are representing or bringing from the grand total. I'm going to press enter. Very nice. Now I'm going to take this for a test drive. Like that. Very nice. So it looks like the first product represents 40% of our total sales. The next product number 2, represents 30% of our sales. And product 3 and 4, they both represent only 15% of our sales. Okay, very nice. And this was the formula, and a different way to use locking cells or references in Excel. And I hope that you guys like this video and like this lesson and learn from it. And I also hope that you guys have a great day. Bye bye.
Launch code. Access granted.